As the region's premier community college collaborative that supports education and training to develop a skilled workforce in the central MOTHERLODE region, our focus is on building talent in sectors that grow our economy. One of these sectors is advanced manufacturing. It includes traditional manufacturing work and jobs dedicated to customization, scalability, and technologies that improve the entire manufacturing process. Advanced manufacturing offers a wide range of rewarding careers with median hourly pay from $20 to $47 per hour. Annual demand in the region for skilled workers is high at 937, but the supply of 418 isn't meeting it, leaving an annual gap of 519. All 15 community colleges in the central MOTHERLODE region offer career education programs to close the advanced manufacturing skills gap. Electronics and electric technology programs are offered at these colleges. Graduates can maintain and repair electronic equipment or provide technical support in research, design, development, testing, or manufacturing processes. Industrial systems technology and maintenance programs, including automation and mechatronics, are offered at 9 schools. Graduates can service, maintain, repair, and install equipment. Instrumentation technology programs are available at these colleges. Graduates are skilled to install, maintain, and repair control equipment used in many industries. Machining and machine tools programs are offered here. Graduates use extreme focus and precision to cut machinery parts made of different materials, including steel, silicon, aluminum, and plastic. 9 colleges offer programs in manufacturing and industrial technology, including automation and mechatronics. This field focuses on improving manufacturing processes, techniques, and equipment to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Central MOTHERLODE Regional Consortium, driving economic growth through workforce talent.